Okay, this is where we start working with QGIS. We now know where projections, or how to specify projections. We know all about the EPSG codes. We know about Proj 4. So now we're ready to have a look at how to actually use this knowledge in QGIS. At a later stage, we will have a look at how we do it in Saga as well. So the first thing I want to do is I want to open a vector file, and I'm going to open Gauteng, and I know for a fact when I got Gauteng in 2000 it was still on the Cape datum. So we need to specify the Cape datum. I know Cape datum, I've got that Cape datum in here. If I didn't know what the Cape datum was, I could have gone to my spatial reference and simply look at the EPSG, search for Cape, find EPSG for 222, and I can filter in here EPSG G4222, and it will tell you that's the one that's there. So we select that datum, and over here we have the specifications. We can say it's a long latitude and longitude. It's the Clark 1880 ellipsoid with the A and the B specified. You can also give it the ellipsoid name, which we saw in the previous one. And then it's got a 2WGS84. You see, this is the project 4 definition of the projection. 2WGS84 minus 136 minus 108 minus 292. But we know from previous experience and from the coordinate transformation I did that in actual fact it's not that. We need to make it a little bit more accurate. However, at this stage we can't change anything in here, so we accept this coordinate system and we get Gauteng, which is now not no projection anymore. It's now Gauteng in the Cape datum. So we can save it as that. We save it as Gauteng latitude, longitude, Cape datum, and we say okay. Don't worry about resizing or anything of this. The encoding system and geometry is still everything okay. So we just simply say okay, yes, I want to overwrite the one which I had over there. So now I've got my Gauteng lat long Cape, which is exactly the same. If you have a look there, there's no overlap between the two. They're exactly the same. But I want to specify this Cape datum projection as a new 2WGS84 because I want to actually have a more accurate displacement for X, Y, Z translations in my Wolodensky transformation. So now we need to go and cheat a little bit. So the first thing we do is there we have a look at the coordinate system. You can set a new one if you want to, but we don't want to do that at the moment. What we want to do is we want to copy the project 4 definition here by pressing Ctrl C, and let's copying it to the clipboard, and then we can exit here and we can go to settings and we can specify a custom coordinate reference system. Now by specifying a custom coordinate reference system, we need to know what the project 4 data is. So we add a new coordinate reference system and we call it new Cape QGIS 84 better. To QGIS 84. And now we need to put the parameters in here. And that's easy because we copied the parameters from the old Cape datum system. So we just press Ctrl V, put it in there, and now I can go and say, alright, I want to change my 2WGS84 from -136. We need to go to -151.39. Let's just set this over there. -151.39, so I change that over there. -151.39 and -114.96. -114.96. 114.96, and that one is -281.87. -281.87. -281.87, yeah. -281.87. -281.87. So I've got my new translation parameters, and I then say OK, and it should put close the brackets there. And we've got that one there. Now let's just have a look at it. Yes, it's got my new translation parameters. And I say, and then if you have a look over there, we now have a new coordinate system, new Cape, which looks like this. And it's got, so what we can do now is we can now specify the coordinate system for this that long Cape, and we can say it must be the new one. So if we go right click on this, it says set. We want to set the layer coordinate reference system, and somewhere here we'll have user defined coordinate reference systems, and if we open that one, we see we've got new Cape, which we just defined now. So we set that reference system. Here's my translation parameters, and we say OK. And we obviously have to save it. Save it as new Cape. New Cape. Okay. So we've got better translation parameters over there.